All right, you ready?
Oh yeah.
All right, let's go get him.
Yeah. My dad would be jealous.
Let's go get some smiles. Let's go chase some smiles.
Damn, man. Damn. Holy shit.
All right, here comes the smooth.
Hell yeah. Yeah. Wow. Holy shit. And look, it doesn't even kick out nothing.
Nah, well, I'm keeping it in right now.
Yeah. Woo. Damn. Woo. Now, what's this 0 to 60?
Around 3.
Damn. See, these all take out the Corvette.
Right there. The Corvette is right on par.
Is it?
Right on par.
Oh, damn. Oh, yeah. All right, Kristen doesn't know yet. We're selling the house.
You have a lot of fun with some other cars too. Well, with that Corvette, you don't need to sell the house.
Yeah, no, but man, can you imagine driving this down the road? Everybody be like, look at that.
I know, it's
Woo-hoo-hoo. Damn.
what'd you think?
Oh, that's fucking phenomenal, man.
With the rear wheel drive, this car is a very live feel, very airy, very light, you know?
Yeah, but even going around the turns, where you would think it's going to start to kick out some.
Yeah.
Oh, you held it tight.
Oh,
tight.
For the wet track today, I was, with this guy, those tires are nice and wide, they do their job.
Man. Amazing.
Nice.
Amazing. Yeah, I'm still there.
Yes! Hey, thumbs up for the camera? Yeah!